So when we use the wire to attach other pieces of clay, there are a couple things that are important to know. When we are inserting our wire into the clay, we want to make sure that we're going in at a perfect angle. What we don't want to do, and I'll use the side of the frog as an example, we don't want to go in and create a larger hole than that can hold the wire, because once it's dry, it will come out again. So we can always smooth over, change our minds, change the position or the placement of the wire, and we can put it in again. We want to go in with a really clean, steady push and make sure that it's in far enough. Once it's dry, it's in there, and we don't have to worry about it anymore. If we do get a little bit of a hole there, we want to make sure that we can either use a tool, like this sculpting tool, to make sure that the wire is completely covered all the way around, and then we can smooth it out with our fingers. But we want to make sure that that wire is in there nice and tight, because we're eventually going to be attaching more clay using this wire. So we want to make sure that there is enough on the extra on the outside for the clay piece that we're attaching.